Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on how to do this, and it's a little bit time consuming and not the best way. So if you look, if we put it behind the page, it does that. So let's back up. I am going to select everything, and I'm going to go to the intersect tool, and then I'm going to move that intersection over. Now it made our letters intersect like the tree. But if I take this and right click, or excuse me, left click mouse and make it black, go up to group and ungroup, now you can delete all this. Delete, whoop, I had a curve there. Break the curve apart and then delete that little bitty piece. Now, let's take our text, order back a page, and you can see this is behind the page. But if we nudge this over, voila, looks like this text is going around the tree. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.